Want a simpler way to track keyword performance for your clients without manually checking rankings or exporting reports? The Semrush Projects integration brings keyword position tracking and visibility insights directly into AgencyAnalytics, so you can monitor progress, spot trends, and report on SEO performance with confidence. Let's start by quickly adding Semrush Projects to your client. Open the client where you'd like to connect Semrush Projects. Then click the Data Sources tab at the top. Click Connect Data Source, search for Semrush Projects, and select the Semrush Projects card. From here, click Connect New Account. Follow the prompts in the OAuth window to verify your Semrush account and finalize the connection. Once the window closes, select the correct Semrush account from the connection screen. Then click Connect in the bottom left to complete the setup. With Semrush Projects connected, your keyword position tracking data refreshes automatically every 12 hours, as long as position tracking is fully set up in Semrush, so your reports stay accurate and up to date. Now you can monitor your client's keyword performance with clear insights into overall visibility, position summaries, and changes in rankings over time. Track gains and losses, identify trends, and quickly understand how SEO efforts are impacting search visibility. If the project you're connecting has a Google Business profile, add the business name in your Semrush project settings. This lets AgencyAnalytics request the correct Google Business profile data and keep your results aligned across platforms. To add the business name, open any client, go to the Data Sources section, click the ellipses next to Semrush Projects, and select Edit Settings. Enter the business name exactly as it appears on the client's Google Business profile. Then click Save to confirm. Looking to simplify keyword reporting and clearly show SEO progress? Start your free trial of AgencyAnalytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.